With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. The question says that compare the acidic strength of the following compound, and here we have been given 4 compounds, right? And we have to choose from the following option. Now firstly what we need to do is to find out which one is the most acidic. We are going to draw their conjugate base, right? So to find out the acidic strength, what we are going to do is find out and draw their respective conjugate base. So the one which will have the most stable conjugate base, right? So the compound which will have the most stable conjugate base will be the one that will be most acidic in nature, right? So let me start by firstly drawing the conjugate base of first compound. So the conjugate base of first compound, how will you draw conjugate base? Simply by removing H plus ion from the given compound. So we will have aniline here. This is your first compound. Second compound will be HCO, O negative. H plus will get removed from here. Third conjugate base will be, right, by removing H plus ions. So we will have a negative charge here with one H here, right? Let me just remove this one. So this H has been removed here. So this is your conjugate base for the third compound, and the fourth compound will have a conjugate base due to the removal of H from the OH bond. So this is the conjugate base of the fourth compound. Now out of the following, what do we need to find out is the most stable conjugate base. Now if you look at this fourth option here, now this is most stable. Why? Because here then oxygen is carrying negative charge. Oxygen is already an electronegative atom carrying negative charge. So when it will undergo resonance here, so what we can see here, there are 3 oxygen atoms carrying negative charge, right? And oxygen being electronegative carrying negative charge is highly stable, right? So that means because of the resonance stability, this is the most stable conjugate base here, right? And if you, so this is which option? This is option number 4. So this option number 4 means this is the most acidic one here. Now if you look at other options, here we have this is which option? Option number 2, HCO negative. Now here oxygen, again it will undergo resonance, so it will result that there are 2 oxygen atoms will be here in conjugation with each other carrying negative charge. So this is also stable, but not much in comparison to the fourth option here. So that means this one is also acidic because this is also highly stable, 2 oxygen atom carrying negative charge, and an electronegative atom when carries negative charge is highly stable. So because of resonance this is also stable. Now if you look at here, we have aniline also. Now aniline is also acidic in nature, right? Because these lone pair which are present in aniline on the nitrogen atom, they undergo resonance, and they undergo resonance due to which the negative charge gets delocalized over the benzene ring. So this is also stable compound. But here if you see, when the lone pair which is present on nitrogen atom, it is getting delocalized over benzene ring, and benzene ring has what? Benzene ring has carbon atoms, and we know the electronegativity, right? The electronegativity of oxygen is higher than nitrogen, and nitrogen's electronegativity is higher than carbon. So here the negative charge is present on carbon atom, right? So even though it is acidic, but not as much in comparison to option number 4, because here oxygen is carrying negative charge, 3 oxygen are carrying negative charge. In option number 2, 2 oxygen are carrying negative charge, and here carbon is carrying negative charge, but because of the benzene ring it is also highly stable. Now if you look at this option, which is your option number 3 here, right? This is your option number 3. So in option number 3, when hydrogen is removed, H plus ion is removed, so this negative charge is in conjugation, and this oxygen is carrying negative charge, but because of the cross conjugation with this C double bond O group, so it will result that it will reduce the acidic strength of this compound. Hence out of the following, Option number 4 is most acidic, followed by option number 2, then comes option number 1, and then comes the option number 3. So this is your correct order of acidic strength because of the correct order of the conjugate base. So out of the following options, option number 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.